It's from Ahmad from Saudi Arabia. He says he has 3 questions. I do my best to answer all of them. Ahmad here. Number 1 would be, is the country opening up anytime soon? I get this. I think every of my live streaming sessions, people tend to ask me this question, so I'll come straight to it as well. Is face-to-face options available right now? And if I'm flying back to Malaysia fully vaccinated, what are the procedures to get back to normal life? Okay, now very interestingly, all that you have asked, I've previously answered in a lot of my live streaming sessions. So I think the first step you could do basically is just subscribe to my page, my YouTube page, or my YouTube channel here. It's just yes to Malaysia. 2 is numeric, so it's yes to Malaysia. Go in there, you get all the videos that are there. I've broken up into smaller sections. You would see this is just a snippet of what I'm referring to about why do you still need to undergo quarantine even though you have already been fully vaccinated and so forth. Okay, but I will answer in a very quick brief nutshell on the questions that you have asked. Firstly, is face-to-face classes going to happen this year or in the coming intakes? The coming intakes are in August and September. My honest opinion is no. Right, sadly we don't see that happening. It's very unfortunate now that in Malaysia we still have a very severe outbreak of the Covid-19. Although I'm giving you assurance that the government is doing its necessary part to get many Malaysians, including international students and foreigners who are in Malaysia, vaccinated. But we're still battling the outbreak. So I don't see that classes will happen face to face in August. In September, there could be a possibility, but again, that's a very low possibility. So if I were you, all you guys who are tuning in who have asked me this question, whether they're going to be face to face, I would say have the reservation, have the expectations that it will only probably happen at January or February of 2022. So in the meantime, my suggestion, as always, go on to an online option, right? Get yourself familiar with the courses, with the content, with the university, because the online is still a pretty much good option to look at. Okay, so the rest of your questions are all there in terms of quarantine and so forth. Go into my YouTube, it's Yes to Malaysia. Watch those videos there. They will also be very useful and you will get the information that you need from there itself. So I hope that answers your question, Ahmad.